me, teacher Najwa, and for today's handicraft we are going to be making a origami boat like this. It's quite simple and you only need one paper for this activity, so let's get started. For this activity you can use a rectangular paper like this. It doesn't matter what color you use, or even if you don't have any colored paper at home, you can just use newspaper or magazine paper, just any kind of paper will do, okay? For the first step, we need to fold the paper like this. So take the top edge and make sure it meets the bottom one, and then press on the side like this. And then take the right edge and meet it with the left one, and then slightly pinch the top part like this, okay? Just so that we can make a crease on the paper. After that, open the paper again and see that's the crease that we made just now. Using this crease as a guide, take the top right corner, this one, and bring it to the middle of the paper like this. Fold it so that you make a triangle like this. And do the same thing to the other side. So now you have two triangles. Next, take the bottom layer and fold it up like this. Flip the paper over and fold the other layer the same way. After that, open the bottom of the paper like this, and then slowly bring the top part to the bottom like this, and then press on the sides like this. And then take this flap, the left one, and put it in underneath the right one so that it doesn't overlap. And do the same thing to the other side, like this. Next, we fold one layer up like this. Flip the paper and do the same thing to the other layer, like this. So this is what you will get, 3 flaps like this, okay? Now open the bottom part like this, and then slowly bring the top part to the bottom part to flatten it like this. And then we pull out the left and right flaps like this. Slowly open it and shape it into a boat like this. So you can press on the edges like this so that it flattens. And for the last step, you can turn the boat over and slightly open the base like this so that it can be stable a bit. So there, we made an origami boat. If you want to play with it, you can fill up a tub or a basin or a sink with some water, and then put the boat inside and you can watch it sail. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun. See you in the next video. Bye!